Hey, how's it going? Yeah. Are you still doing the video call tonight? It was supposed to be at 9:30. We're having some technical difficulties, so let me see if I can figure that all out. And if I can, I'm just in the library. Are you at country dancing? Okay. Yeah, I'm at the library, so if I can figure it out and get it all worked out, I'll just text you and you can meet me here and we can just do it together. Does that work? Okay. Alrighty. See you maybe soon. Bye.
I finally see you.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, this whole SPSS is so confusing.
I know, it's super confusing. So have you heard from Kara?
Yeah, I messaged her. I was like, I'm sorry, we're having like internet issues and we'll just be a few minutes. And she's like, okay, no problem. She was just online.
Okay.
She might be having problems as well, like yesterday, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So Emily forgot.
Okay.
I know. So I called her. She can come, but she would be later again. So once Kara gets on, we can decide what to do. And she can just join in my call in the library. I guess she's on campus already.
Okay.
And so if we need to do that, we can, or we can, if we're all having problems with the SPS, right?
Yeah.
It's just been an adventure. So, hey, Kara.
Hello.
Welcome to the call. This is good.
Thank you.
So, should I tell Emily to come? It would add on probably another 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, we can kind of maybe start.
Okay.
It's gonna be, I guess it's kind of, it's more difficult.
Yeah, this looks a lot more complicated.
And, oh my gosh, I feel like there's an overload.
Is it bouncing back and forth between the pictures?
No,
You
I
just
just have to click in the picture.
Yeah, just click on a picture and then it will just show one of them.
Okay. Okay. So are you guys just opening up the SPSS? Is that what you're doing?
Yes, I'm gonna go log into my account.
Did you just did you guys download the free one or did you pay for the?
Well, we have it both. We downloaded the free one. My husband did. And then he said that you have to transfer everything to Excel because it doesn't calculate certain things. So we just downloaded the SPSS, but it was kind of difficult.
Do you already have it, Kara?
Well, I just downloaded the one where you open up, you go through the BYU Idaho one and you open up the desktop.
It should
still,
yeah, it should still work, yeah.
That's the one I downloaded as well.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. I'll call Emily.
Okay.
See if she can come. Okay, so I'm a little confused with this assignment. Hey, so we got it to work. We're just gonna kind of get started and see if we can work out some of the kinks, but I'm on the first floor of the library in between, you know when you're, like, it's like the little in between that combines the east wing and the west wing. You know what I'm talking about? There are chairs, there's little book displays. That's where I am. Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye. Okay. Um, so, so what do we need to do the SPS thing first, right? How does that?
Yeah.
I have that downloaded already. And so I guess I'm confused how that connects. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong homework assignment. I did the preparation assignment.
Okay, I'm looking at it right now. Lesson 3. Okay. Now group 2. Okay, part 2.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's see.
So I guess,
You will fill this part out during your group preparation session. Um,
okay, so help me. I'm a little bit confused about how to work the new like desktop that it opens up for you. Did you guys like sign in to the BYU Idaho site and everything through that desktop? Did you use that um, desktop to do it, or are you just bouncing back and forth between your regular computer and that
oh, the
SPSS?
desktop? Yeah, you just bounce.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you download that that file from iLearn into the SPSS desktop thing?
It would go on to downloaded material, and you just click on that, and it will just like transfer.
Okay.
And, like you just click on that, and it should say down. Do you have Mac or PC?
I have I'm working on a PC right now.
Okay. Yeah, just go to your downloads and go to that. What was it called? Mystery, or that's what it looked like. What was it called? I don't know. Go to that file and just open it, and it will just automatically.
Yeah, it's the one I have is like VMWARE.
Mhm. Yeah. So I'm just
Yeah, and so then you just. Oh, sorry. What were you saying?
well, I'm just talking about the oh shoot. Sorry, I'm right in the middle of it. Okay. So I'm just looking at I'm going to just try it because there was it said for the group meeting, we'll need to use this wrong site, wrong patient data to answer some of the questions. And it said to select this .sav file below to open an SPSS, but I don't see anything below. Did you just click on that little link?
I actually have no idea how I got it to work. I'm sorry. Like somehow it worked. I downloaded it at the beginning of the semester, and so now it's like it's here, but I don't really know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing with it.
You're
I'm just gonna
asking about the new one, right? The free one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that I'm just looking at the how to transfer. Okay, so I'm going to click on this wrong side, wrong patient file and download it. I mean, I don't know if I'm just trying to
So
get.
where's the wrong side, wrong patient file? I'm so confused.
Okay, so if you go on if you click on lesson 3 group meeting in iLearn,
Okay.
and it says at the bottom, it says note on the group preparation quiz, you will use the wrong site, wrong patient data to answer some of the questions. Select
Right.
the save file. So I just clicked on that wrong site, wrong patient, and it opened up this list of files, and I just scrolled down to the wrong site, wrong patient, and
Oh, yeah, I see that. On the group version page, on site one page later.
so that's what I'm wondering is if I can access that in the other the other
Yeah,
desktop.
the other screen.
Yeah. So now that I've downloaded onto the computer, I'm going to open that up and see if I just don't know how I'm going to bounce it over here.
Yeah,
I feel like I would.
that's my problem as well. So I don't know why I'm so confused. Use the data on stock requirements specific. History. Okay. So, I'm sorry, I'm just so confused. Where did you find the mystery patient opportunities thing to download? That's what I
That's
can't find it.
individual preparation.
Mm-hmm.
And then at the bottom, do you see where it's like preparation assignment, enter key, and
Yes.
mystery. And so click on that.
Okay, there it is. I don't know how I missed it.
And you kind of all that downloads in the SPSS.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah, it's being really complicated. I can't figure out how to get it. I'm having the same problem Kara's having, in that it's like wanting to do its own thing, not download into the.
SPSS, whatever.
Yeah.
SPS. Oof.
Okay.
So you clicked on that.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay, I'm like. Okay. So I have SPSS open in that other desktop, but I downloaded those files
Yeah.
on my computer, on my other computer. So I don't know how the heck to.
It should transfer like automatically. Let me hold on. Let me ask my husband. He has a similar class and he already did this. So let me ask him if he can help us.
Okay.
So 1 second. Okay.
Okay. So.
It takes so much time. It's just not worth it. It'll be okay. If we can't get this to work tonight, we probably will have to reschedule for it anyway. This is really so much to do. It's stressful. But hopefully we'll be able to get it to work. Oh,
Well, hopefully we don't know the areas which I can help out.
is that nice? The dancing.
Hey there.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
I figured it out.
You figured it out?
Yeah. Kara, if you open up
Okay.
your SPS, so open up the laptop, and then open up a new, now I'm forgetting how to talk. Open up a new web page, right? So a new window inside of SPS, and log into your BYUI, and then download it into your SPS. Does that make sense?
Okay, so that's what I was wondering if we would have to do. So instead of being in my Chrome that I'm in on my laptop, I need to, on that new desktop that the SPSS is on, I need to open it and log in to BYUI there, and then it'll download.
Yes,
Okay.
that's what it looks like. I think it just worked on mine, so I think so.
Okay.
Can we see each other's screens?
What do you mean?
Can we look at their screen?
They can see this screen. Yeah.
Like, no.
What do you mean? Oh, our desktop
Just
screen?
stop, yeah.
No.
Oh, because that would be easy if you could.
I don't know. Let's see. Screen share.
Yeah, we could do screen share.
The
Let's see.
problem is I can't, when unless one of us just wants to do all of it and we can talk about it as we go, that would work, I guess. But when I'm in SPS, I can't split my screen. I can't see you from SPS. So even if we did a screen share, I wouldn't be able to see the screen because I can't see the Google Hangouts video. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So do you mean
Yeah.
Nope, I don't think so.
Okay.
If we need help, I'll call you in. He knows more about.
No, thank you. Thank you for helping us.
Okay, so I've got iLearn. I'm as far as iLearn. I'm going to open Math, Control and C. I'm going to.
I got my water, so my mouth doesn't get to try to breathe.
Online.
Part 2 of the assignment. Did you do part 1? It's okay. What happens?
Okay. So I just downloaded that,
Okay.
and now I'm going to go back to SPSS, and can I open wrong looking, would I go look in downloads?
Maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm
How did
honestly
you,
so confused. So I went into SPS, so it's like like a desktop screen. And then
uh-huh.
from there I clicked on Google Chrome and I opened up a window for Google Chrome. And then I
Yeah,
logged
that's
into
what I did.
BYUI. And then I
Oh,
downloaded it
shoot.
and then it just came up.
Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay. I got it. Oh.
Yay! That's a good feeling.
Okay, so it says like wrong site, 97,465. Wrong patient, 25,000 or 250,000. Is that what we're looking at?
I think so. That's not what I'm looking at, but that's probably right. Maybe I downloaded what? I'm so confused. Hold on. Okay, so you downloaded. Oh wow, this is a really big learning curve. This is really a lot. Okay, mystery investments. So you downloaded the mystery investments thing, right?
No, I didn't. I did the wrong
Oh,
site, wrong patient. Mine doesn't say anything about mystery investments. I'm trying to. Oh, there we go. For part 2, you'll use this part in your. It's called mystery investment opportunities. Oh, okay. So I skipped ahead because I downloaded the one that you need for the quiz.
For the quiz, yeah.
Yeah.
okay.
So mystery investments. Is it on that same? Yep. Okay. So I'll download that one right now.
Doesn't take longer.
Okay. Now I have that one. So it says year 2011. A's blank. B is negative 4.5. Are we all looking at the same thing now?
Yep.
Yes.
Negative
Okay.
4.5, 20, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Woohoo!
Okay. Okay. So do you guys want to do um the okay? So we have a lot to do.
We can do
Um,
half today, maybe half tomorrow.
I was gonna say I think we should split this up because my brain shuts off. It gets really bad, and Emily doesn't have her laptop, so I feel a little bit bad as far as that goes. So
Emily,
yeah, Emily, she's here.
Hi. I made it.
So let's do like the first couple questions tonight, and then tomorrow we'll know how to do it already. So we're gonna hit the ground running and just go tomorrow. That's the game plan. Just go.
could
Okay.
we meet early though? Because we have plans, we have other things to do in the evening.
What time are you guys available? Let's figure that out right now.
I'm available after.
I'm free from 3:30
Kara, when are you free?
till 6.
Okay. I have. I'm free all morning after like 8:15 until like, let's see, no, that would be 9:15 your time. After 9:15 your time until 2-ish, and then
Oh.
I can't meet again until probably 4:30.
Okay. When did you say you were free, Emily? Are you free in the morning at all?
I have a class at 9:45.
Are you free at 11:30? Okay.
I'm working from 9:30 till 3:30.
Okay. So I get out of class. I get out of class at 6:30. Can any of you meet at 6? Like I can leave class early if I have to. I think my teacher would understand. So
One
you-
second. Let me ask my husband what time we're meeting. 1 second. Brandon, what time?
my classes today. I have 3 classes in work. have 2 papers and 3 chapters.
Is it just like a page paper?
One is 2.5 to 3 pages, and the other one is just 300 words. So, yeah, it should be fine. Okay. Everything is found place. Okay. Is everyone still there?
Mhm.
Okay, Kara, you're there. I think Anya's asking her husband.
Yeah.
Kara, okay, I
Okay.
have okay, what did your husband say?
So we have to go at 7:30, but
Okay.
I can bring my computer. And do it somewhere else. We won't be home.
Okay. How do you guys feel about, okay, so this is a group assignment, so we need to talk about it as a group, obviously. But how do you feel about maybe working through some of the problems on our own during the day when we're free, so that when we meet at, say, 6:30 tomorrow night, we're just to discuss what we've talked about?
30.
What?
6:30. It's probably going to take us a lot longer than an hour.
Well, but that's kind of what I'm saying is if we work on it, because we all have different schedules during the day, and so if we each work on it individually and work through the problems kind of on our own, then the ones that we weren't able to figure out on our own we can talk about as a group, and then
for a quiz kind of thing and talk to them.
and then do our quiz together, yeah, and then be done. And that I think we could do it in an hour as long as we had basically all the work done before we went together.
Let's look at it tonight together. See how much we can get done. To
Okay.
make it easier as well.
All right, sounds good. Can we just maybe set a goal and just get 2 questions done tonight, or 3? Or we can try and do more. Yeah. Okay, let's just get going on it.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, so use the data on the stock performance of specific companies for the following questions. The data is found on Brain Hungry. We got that. Okay, so we're supposed to find the mean, standard deviation, and sample size for each of the companies.
Okay.
Okay, so
it's not. Is it giving us that on here? Because it does that on Excel, just gives you that.
yeah, Excel gives you that. I don't see it on here.
Let me scroll over, because sometimes the last thing I did on here, I just hand entered the data, and it on the side it had this little thing that said, standard deviation, mean, median, and it figured it automatically for you. So I don't know why this one didn't do it.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Let's see, analyze.
So, yeah, because even in the exam, when I was going through, I watched the tutoring video thing, and they had an Excel sheet, so I don't know where the Excel sheet is. There's another one. If there was, I don't know. Anya, do you know what I'm talking about? Do you know how to?
Sorry, what?
Okay, would you guys be okay if we just? I think I'm going to try and set up an appointment with the tutor or at the math center tomorrow with someone who knows how to work this a little bit better, just the system. Because I have a feeling if we try and work on this tonight, we're going to not really be able to figure a whole lot of it out. Unless you guys know, I don't know, do you know what I'm saying? What are your thoughts on this? Because I just would like to be able to use time as efficiently as possible, and I don't know that this is going to be really efficient if we don't know what we're doing. Because I have, all that homework stuff. But if you guys can, if you have thoughts on how to make it work and how we can find the mean and standard deviation and everything, it doesn't seem like it should be that complicated based on the reading and stuff.
It should be a formula that we can just do, but I'm guessing.
Yeah, but I don't see it. So, is it okay with you guys? if we call it a night, I'll email the teacher and ask him where I can find the chart that we can plug everything into, and we can just, I'll send you the email what he says back, and we can just hammer this out kind of on our own tomorrow, and then talk about the things you have questions about. Does that sound okay, or do you guys want to just keep pounding the pavement till I figure it out tonight? Either one's fine. Whatever you.
I don't care. I will tell you. I just clicked on that analyze button, and there's a thing that says mean.
Yes. Okay. Let's see.
And then it has year A. So those are the companies, right? So if I hit A, let's do okay and see what happens.
Yeah, that's one company. So if you, and then you're doing analyze, and then you're going to means.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh yay! Okay, this is looking like maybe right. And then what are you doing? Just putting
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
A.
So it says statistics. Standard deviation. So mean. Continue.
Okay, so you guys have the other system. I have the SPSS, and it doesn't have the option to go analyze, because I've seen the tutorial too.
Mhm.
And so this one's different. Okay, let me show you. Let me share my screen.
But can't see your. Oh wait, hold on. Okay.
This right here.
Guys,
Do you see?
hold on, I'm not on the right
There.
screen. I gotta get to where you are.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't have a button that says analyze.
No, look at, see.
Oh yeah, you don't. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, this is so much harder than I would have.
And you had to pay $45 for this?
Oh boy. Okay. Maybe.
No, what is this?
Okay, it says, you guys, so I pushed the little arrow, and it said the mean for A is 21.276, and the standard deviation.
Which arrow did you push?
Okay, let's see. Let me move this little window that popped up. So,
You want to share your screen just for a second?
yeah, how do I do that?
So go.
Are you on the SPS screen right now?
Yeah.
You can't share that one.
Can't tell.
Okay, so here's what I did. So I let me go back to let me work backwards again.
Okay.
So I did the analyze. I highlighted the A.
Okay.
And then I clicked on. Is there like an options?
So I clicked on analyze, and I have reports, descriptive statistics, compare means. Is that what you have? General linear model, generalized linear models, mixed models, correlate. Oh, options. Okay, let's touch me. Okay, so you clicked on options, and then now I see what you're talking about. And then what did you do?
Oh no, I did compare means, and then I clicked mean.
Compare mean.
After
mean.
analyze, and then mean.
Okay. All right.
Clicked on B, and then
Oh yeah. Okay, so
on options I put mean, number of cases, standard deviation, and the cell statistics, and then I clicked continue. But then
wait, pause for just a second. You put mean, standard deviation, and then what else?
I didn't put anything. It
Median?
automatically, when I clicked on that
okay.
little options button, it showed in the cell statistics it was going to have mean, number of cases, and standard deviation.
Okay, got it.
And then I
So,
clicked
Sarah, can we compare ours? So you got mean 21.276,
Uh-huh.
and then median or standard deviation 37.67.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and median 13.43.
It didn't give me the median on mine.
Okay.
But it's not asking for that.
Okay.
It's asking for the sample size. So let's see. So here's what I did. So then each one that I highlighted, that little whizzy arrow that is pointing to the dependent list, just highlight that, highlight the thing and stick it in the dependent list. And then I think it will give a report for each of them. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put all of them in there. I'll experiment and see what happens.
Okay, sounds good.
And then it might just give it all to us. Okay, so I'm gonna hit OK.
So
okay,
what's
perfect? So it just gave me this big table with everything. So the let's see.
Seeded allies.
So the mean of A was 21.276. The mean of B was 33.482. The mean of C was 41.122. The mean of D was 0.706. And the mean of E was negative 1.084. Are you guys getting all that?
Yeah, mine's
Okay.
different. But the sample size, do you know what that means? Oh, how many there are?
Yeah, I think that's how many there are. Hold on.
Is that the N? Is that the N? The number?
Oh, yeah.
Like 41 for A, 25 for B, 27 for C, 49 for D, and 32 for E.
That's an N?
That's the N. Is that what the sample size is?
I think it is.
Maybe.
Okay, let me go back up and see.
Oh yeah. So for B, do you have 25? Valid.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then missing 24.
Excluded 24. Yeah.
Okay.
Included 25. Excluded 24. So are you guys getting that nice little table that says cases, included, excluded, total?
Yeah, I've got it. So like it says for B was 33.482 for the mean, right?
Uh-huh.
A is 21. Okay, yes, I got it. I got it, guys. This is so good.
I know. So
Okay.
what's sample size for A? Sorry, I missed it.
Isn't it 41?
41.
Yeah, that's what I have is 41.
20.
Okay, so that is, I mean, is that the sample size? Does that make sense to everybody?
I think so. It seems like it would be.
Okay, so let's see. If we pull up our group mean.
Okay.
Okay, so then number 6 is make a histogram of stock performance data for each of the companies. Paste your graphs here. So next we need to make a histogram.
Okay, so then that's got to be graphs. We'll click on graphs.
Chart builder or template chooser?
Well, let's click on chart builder before you use the stylized measurement level.
Oh, do template chooser. Click on template chooser.
Okay.
And then it has options, and you just click on histogram. Does that make sense? Do you see what I'm looking at? Yeah.
Wait, select from the list to get started. Wait. Mine's not saying that.
Okay, so let me go back to the beginning. So graphs.
Mm-hmm.
Graph board template chooser.
Yeah.
select A. So click on the letter A with the
The little
thing next to
tile.
it. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yep.
So just click on that, and then it comes up. How are you
Histogram.
doing,
Got
Anya?
it. Got it.
Mine's different than yours, so I have to figure out.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Look, yay! A little histogram graph. So happy.
You got it?
Got
Yeah.
it.
Hey, sorry, I have to figure out mine because it's different than yours.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on.
Sorry.
So we could probably just do them all at once, right?
I
We can
think
just
so. I
put them.
couldn't figure out how to do that, but if you can, then yes.
So if we just did, oh, maybe not on this one.
No, I think it just combines them all and you try and click on all of them.
Okay.
So just do it one at a time.
One at a time?
Hmm.
Okay. I just have to.
Are you lost?
Yeah, it just doesn't have the same options, so it's not as easy.
Yeah.
It says variables.
Oh
Key,
no.
like run descriptive statistics and oof. Oh my gosh. I think I have to play with this.
Okay. Do you guys want to? Do you want to just finish this tomorrow,
Sure,
or do you want to keep messing around with it tonight?
I'm gonna mess on my own so I
Okay.
can figure this out and we can just get back together tomorrow.
Yeah,
That'll
because
work.
I would like for us all to be able to work, like, to understand it together. You know what I
And
mean? And then if we have questions. What?
And Emily probably needs to just play around as well.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
So I've made histograms for all of them.
You
Me
did?
too.
Yeah.
You're awesome.
No, I'm just.
Yeah, it's easier on our system, Anya. Yours seems a little more complicated
I
than
know.
ours.
I'm just gonna have to play around. Like, I feel like it's easy once you get it because it
Yeah.
gives everything you need to know. But
Yeah, because like I've got it done too, and it wasn't too bad. But if you don't know how to do it, then it's bad.
yeah. Let me show you. Let me show you. Just okay. You guys want to see the screen?
Oh, let me
Okay.
come down here and share just that.
Okay. So just look. So this is my screen, and here are. Okay. I clicked on all of.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have any words that describe what your options are. It's just,
I know.
what about that? What's that one? If you click on the one that has like the red, green,
Oh.
and blue bar next to the graphy thing, what
This.
happens when you click on that?
No,
Anya, if you bring your laptop to class tomorrow, we can look at it together in class, or just like
Well,
after class.
we don't have class tomorrow, and I'm
Oh
working.
yeah. Sorry, I get so confused.
After work, I might just go to the math lab as well. We'll see.
Okay.
I need
Sounds
to.
good.
I need to figure this thing out. It's supposed to be easier, but it really isn't.
Yeah. Kind of a mess. Okay, so we'll work on this all on our own tomorrow before we meet up at 6:30, and then when we meet up, we can go through any questions we have left over and do the quiz. Yeah?
Sounds
So
good.
it'll be 6:30, so it'll be 5:30.
5:30. Does that work for you, Kara?
My family can feed themselves.
So 6:30 to 7:30.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And if
You
it
guys are
works
so patient.
earlier, maybe earlier, like 6:15, right? If we're online.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do what I can. I'll be in class, but I'll see if I can get out early.
Okay.
So, yeah, and if you guys all get online, I'll just jump on as soon as I'm free. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Thanks. This is way too complicated for online class.
Yeah. That's crazy. But we'll figure it out. At least we kind of have it figured out. We just need to work out a little bit more kinks, and then we'll be great. Yeah, be great.
Yeah. Okay.
All
Thanks.
right.
Oh, boy.
Later.
Okay. Thank you so much for your patience, both of you. All three of you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.